Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Hi, my name is Lucky. You can call me Lucky if you like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. And of course, if you're a returner, you already know the drill. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for actually clicking to watch this video. I'm super grateful. Thank you. I know it's been a while, but a lot has been going on, but it's okay, it's fine, and we're ready to go. So in today's video we have a haul, and I got some things from Nasty Girl. Nasty Girl is actually one of my favorite online Instagram clothing stores to shop from, and I'm pretty excited. I really don't remember what I got from them, so it's kind of like a surprise to me. So we're just gonna like open this and see what I got, and hopefully it fits. If it doesn't fit, I'll have to like give it out, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it does. But anyway, without wasting much time and rambling too much, let's jump straight into the video. I'm sure you guys are excited to see what I got, so yeah, let's start.
Jules, baby. Okay guys, so the first item I got is this really cute, simple, basic black pair of flats. I got them because I've been dying to get my hands on them. Like, flats like these do come in handy because there are times I don't want to like wear heels or like wear like sandals. Just want a very simple black pair of sandals. So I got them because I want them and I need them. Yeah, I don't know, I just keep forgetting to buy it. So when I saw it on Nasty Girl, I was like, I have to get my hands on this. I got this in a size 8. It fits perfectly fine, as you guys can see. I got it in black because I wanted to make sure that it would go with every single thing that I'm going to pair it up with. As you can see, it is fitting my leg properly well, and Nasty Girl is true to size. I got it in a size 8. It's perfectly fine because there's some clothing stores or shoe whatever that you shop from and then the shoe doesn't fit you. So yeah, Nasty, if you're wondering, Nasty Girl, when it comes to their shoes, their dresses, everything is true to size, and I am in a US, again, size 8, just in case you're wondering. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, next thing I got, oh my god, is so cute. Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? Okay. Here it is. Oh my god, guys, like, you have no idea why I'm so excited. Okay, let me explain. First of all, this white is very classic. It has like this area going up here, and you know what it means, extra height for me, so I can be 5'9" if I wear this. It is beautiful, it is amazing, it is dope. It is, I don't know, you just can't go wrong with things like this. When I first saw it, I was like, yes, I have to get that. And it was not expensive at all. Oh, by the way, I'm going to put every single price of every single item I'm going to show you guys in the description box, just in case you was wondering. Okay, it's not uncomfortable, it's very comfy to wear. It might look like it's like chunky and heavy, but it's not. It's just the outside that is like looking heavy, so don't be deceived by that. But it's really cute, super dope. I can see it's in a pair of jeans, obviously, but you get what I'm saying. It's so cute. It's so cute. It gives me extra height, extra height, like 1 inch at least. This has to be 1 inch at least. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the next outfit, and I have to say I'm loving this outfit so much. It's cute, I like the fitting, I like how the bottom looks like, actually surprising. I thought I was gonna hate it when I was wearing it, but like, you know, looking at it right now, it's like, it's good. I'm actually wearing it with a pair of heels. I think this outfit is dead as lovely for like a nice brunch out, a nice lunch out. Like, it's amazing. Like, I don't know, like, this outfit is giving me some type of vibe that I'm not usually used to, but it's in a good way though. I decided to try it with this hat, and I feel like it's a you know what I'm saying? It's a vibe. It's a vibe, you guys. Like, it's a really good vibe. I give this outfit 10 out of 10. Like, so guys, unfortunately this skirt is a disappointment, obviously, because I thought it was gonna fit perfectly well, but it didn't. I don't know why, but it didn't. Like, it's so, like, see, I have like a long way to go, a really long way to go. I don't know what to say about this skirt, because like, it's such a huge disappointment. I was having serious high hopes for this skirt. Like, oh my god, serious high hopes. Unfortunately, I have to return it. Thank god I haven't taken the tag out yet. But yeah, this is the first time Nasty Girl has messed up on my size. I don't know why, but I guess the company is perfect. But yeah, we're just gonna move on and pretend that I never got the skirt, okay? Okay guys, so the next thing I got is this black and white pants. I love it so much. It's the perfect fitting I've been looking for. It is so nice. It feels very comfortable and it fits me to the T. I'm actually loving the way I styled this outfit. Like, you know, a very small top, pants, and some heels. I think it's really cute. This is how the back looks like. In check. So I'm loving it. As you can see, it did come with a belt just in case the waist area didn't fit. You can always use a belt to like hold it tight and even snatch your waist even more. So that's a good one. And yeah. Okay guys, so the next thing I got is this really nice two-piece. I love it because it's giving me corporate vibe, yet it's giving me casual, which is really good. I have never had such a piece like this in my life. I like the fact that the top is this Croc. Nice. I like the color. I wish I would have gotten it in black, but it's okay because this piece is, the color is nice on me. It's fine. But yeah, this is so cute. This is really cute. Like, I'm obsessed with this style. And this is how the bottom looks like, guys, just in case you were wondering. Definitely I'm gonna be wearing it very soon to somewhere very special. So yeah, I really do like it. I think it's cute, I think it's pretty. So the next thing I got is this really nice black, simple black bag, which I think goes with this outfit. That's what I wanted to show you guys next. I got this bag because I don't have a black bag at all. And when I first saw it, I was like, yes, that bag is really cute. I feel like it's in crocodile skin, is that how you call it? Yes, croc skin, that's what they say. But this bag is so nice, guys. Like, what do you think? And yeah, so the last piece I want to share with you guys is this really nice top. I like the fact that one hand is long sleeve and the other hand is like, it has a different thing going on, which is cute. I love the slit. I think it's really nice and very cheeky. And I love how the back looks like. This is very edgy, and obviously it will go very well with a nice short or a nice pair of jeans with some sneakers. I love the fitting. I have to say that this top fits me perfectly more than any of the pieces I tried. It is tight, but not as tight as you getting to the point of being uncomfortable. It's just the perfect fitting, and I'm very happy. I'm gonna be keeping this. I would definitely be giving this top a 10 out of 10 because it's so cute and it's so lovely. I really do like it. I'm so excited that I got it. I wasn't too sure about the color, but I love the color. It's really matured. Right now that I'm seeing it and how it looks like on my body, is very matured. And I also like the fact that it's kind of like snake print. You guys know that I like snake print a lot. Anything snake print, croc print, lizard print, what other reptile prints do we have? I'm on for it. Like, I really do like it. I think it's cute and it's a nice one. And yeah, of course you will see me rocking this one of my YouTube videos. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification button. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.